go back and get a smaller size. So that's the first thing that I did, was put all the nails out that I would need. And this is actually my second time using this kit. The first time I definitely used the clear ones, and I didn't know how. First time I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out. I'm like, let me not put effort into seeing how this goes until I like really see how it goes. But now that it came out pretty nice, I'm actually gonna put a picture in. I think I had it like pretty much figured out, but it definitely took some playing with. Now this, I realized that shaping is harder than I thought. Just hold it there for a second, and I got some claws. Shaping, man, shout out to the ladies that do nails, man, because, or matte and shit, it's hard. So these are really long. This is the length that it comes, which is like damn near a whole phalange. And I'm gonna go a little shorter, like, that's pretty long. And I did them pretty long the first time, because I'm like, I wanna see if I can do this. So that's what they were doing. Let me do the same thing. Make sure they're long enough. But honestly, I actually doing them like however I feel, and then I match it to the other hand at least. And I have a nail clipper, a big one, but the scissors are kind of easier. I have some bigger scissors too, but I honestly just didn't feel like going to get them once I had already bought this pair. These are definitely hair shears. Let's see. So I'm just keeping them square this time. I did sort of like a coffin type of thing the first time. And actually, you know what? I did not hate how they came out. Like, I was pretty impressed with myself for it to be the very first time that I was like trying to do this, because I implemented the glitter and everything. I guess I should show y'all how I did that, huh? Okay, so I bought these things from Michaels, and they're just little glitter shakers. I also bought this glitter from Michaels. These are the two other ones I haven't opened, because I'm not really a purple girl, but I love the other colors that it came with, which is this color, holographic shit, yeah. And then I had the pink and like a shimmery white. This is like the other glitter. You see it's black. So today, I actually mixed the leftover pink and acrylic with a black and some more clear acrylic. And then this is the glitter, the holographic glitter, and some acrylic. So I'm probably going to use these two today. So we're going to see how it turns out. I actually did like a little swatch. I don't know if y'all can see. Well, yeah, you can see the glitter in it. It has like, you know, some shimmer in it. So black is going to be what I'm doing. I'm going to come back when I'm like ready to put my acrylic down. I know y'all don't want to watch the whole thing. We just cut it. Now, filing them square if they got a little asymmetrical. My scissors do a good job of getting them where they need to go. So this is the length that I'm going with. I tried to do one without the scissors with a nail clip, and it just didn't go as well. Because I am right-handed. So I thought my right hand would come out worse, because I was doing it with my left hand, and honestly the opposite happened. I did the left hand first with my right hand. I'm like, oh, this isn't bad. But something about the way I caught the wind on the second hand, I was like, damn. I think it's because I guess I just knew I had to take my time more. Because when you fuck it up, it's like, damn, I don't have a drill to just undo it. So I'll try to be careful. And to do this, I wear clothes that I don't care about getting shit on. You know, I did that, and just to make sure they were all the same. Okay, so we can do this. So this was the hardest part, is getting the acrylic to form a ball. How to do with this one. So you actually want your thing to be wet, and you just dip, and then you see how this little, I'm going to go on camera, see how this ball forms from there. And I'm encapsulating this glitter, so there's not like so much acrylic in it. It's mostly glitter, but there is acrylic in here. And with the white tips, I figured it would definitely be different because, you know, it's not clear. And I was right. It shows the glitter even more. I think I actually need to add some more acrylic to this mixture. What? That's like when my first swipe looked like trial and error. I think I want just a little bit more acrylic in there. I like the color. I want the consistency to be just a little thicker, so when I encapsulate it, and I might do something fancy and do like a tie-dye nail with this like straight up glitter I got. That makes it. So, I actually went and bought a 99-cent brush from the beauty supply store. rather than try to use the brush that it comes with, because she uses that brush and she's a pro, but she definitely says she doesn't like it. I was like, well, shit, let me try to get the best result possible, because altogether this still cost me about $25-ish to get all the supplies. But I'm extra. You can use just what it comes with, but you see this thing? Cool. Yeah, that's way better. Ooh, this is gonna be such a pretty set. And I don't mind taking my time to do some shit myself, because this set would not cost $25 at any of the nail girls that I like to go to anyway. And they ain't wrong, because this shit is a time taker. Oh, I think I just did a fucked up dip. Oh, no, I got it. Okay. But yeah, this shit takes time and real effort. And when you do it super well, you deserve to get paid for that. I just don't want to pay you. So that's why I learned to do this stuff myself. Because it's not as hard as I thought. But I definitely commend them, because the shit is hard. So you see I'm getting somewhere. I might end up just doing the tie-dye like I said. So I don't have to. I actually have a whole nother one of these, so it's not even like I'm trying to save it. But I only try to make so much of one color, because I know I like to switch it up. And once you put that glitter in there, it's like you gotta add to it or suck it up. So. Yeah. And I try to get it thin so I can put the clear on top, how she showed me. And how, I mean, I pick up things from watching my girls do my nails too. Like nail techs that do my nails, they do a good job, and I just try to replicate that as much as I can as a non-pro, with non-pro tools. If I had pro tools, nah, my shit would be like real nice. Because why not? Have the ability. Ooh, this came out really pretty. I like this color. These will be cute. So that's how it looks. Just no encapsulation yet with the clear on top. Just straight up color on there. Straight up glitter and acrylic mix. I put just a little bit in this corner because I'm a freaking fake perfectionist. That will do it. Can y'all hear the people in my neighborhood? I'm on my balcony doing this because I do not like my house smelling like a freaking nail salon. I don't like it. Yeah, see. I'm gonna zoom in on them when they're done, but you can see that, like, I got a little layer there, and then I'm gonna put the clear on. I'm gonna do the clears after I do all of them. And I'll come back when I'm doing that. So, I transitioned into this color here, and the rest are this color. So they kind of just look like blocks right now, because I haven't put the clear coat on top, and then, obviously I shaped them afterward. You can see the underside. I try not to be too messy. And it's, like, definitely a little harder to cover up the white, because I'm not really a French teal white kind of girl. So I need to do a full, like, something. So you see where it started and what we got. I mean, even could have been a little longer, but I like this. It's something to do to have my nails not like the little boy hands. And I actually kind of want to go into the all the glitter. Like, I just love holographs so much. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is how far I've come. I put the clear on top of all of these except for these on the end. And just wanted to show y'all how I'm doing that. So I feel like the key to getting a good ball is making sure that your brush is not that wet. I'm gonna kind of just drag it through so you can see. I did a pile, clear acrylic. I'm just gonna put it towards the back. Wipe it off, go back in. I'm running out of this liquid. I'm gonna end up buying a huge thing of this liquid, because I barely have enough to finish. But I think it's gonna be just enough, because I'm down to the last couple fingers, so. Well, very the last fingers, so it should be. I'm gonna try to stack the part that doesn't have fake nail on it, and then I go back in and add some more towards the bottom. So you can see kind of I don't do them too thick. I'm not really concerned with how long they last per se. because it's different when somebody else is doing on me, like, hey, I need at least 2 weeks, ma'am. But for me, I'll probably keep these on for like a week. So I'll do too thick, like I'm trying to make them last forever, like some cute sweatshirt. It's not true. So I'm just going back over my ends here. Just try to be very delicate because I am right-handed and not left-handed, and this is me trying to work with my left hand. After working with all this glitter, I had to put on the same clothes. I'm like, look, can't get it all messed up in the name of glittery nails. Can't have all my clothes glitterified. Just can't. So, and I'll like this. All the acrylic that I managed to get on this brush. So like on this one, I might go back to the one. I'll try to make sure all of them have some before I like go back, just because my liquid is really low. To shape them. So I ended up really just liking this glitter. I wish I was done all of them with this glitter because it's easy. It was much easier to do with the white tips.